Wait, before you even think about clicking buy on that M5 iPad Pro or looking at another MacBook Air, you need to see what Samsung has been cooking behind closed doors. The leaks for the upcoming Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra just hit a whole new level of insane. We're talking about a device that doesn't just want to be your tablet. It wants to be the only computer you ever carry. Welcome back to TechVibe. Today, we are diving deep into the massive, exclusive leaks of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra device that is reportedly ditching the notch, upgrading to a Grade 5 titanium frame, and packing more RAM than most professional workstations. If you're a creator, a power user, or just someone who wants the absolute pinnacle of mobile tech, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why the competition is finally starting to sweat. Let's start with the one thing everyone has been begging for, the design. For years, Samsung's Ultra tablets have been plagued by that tiny notch for the dual front-facing cameras. Well, if the latest supply chain reports are true, the Tab S12 Ultra is finally killing the notch. Samsung is reportedly moving to under-display camera 2.0 technology. This means a completely uninterrupted, edge-to-edge canvas. But the upgrades don't stop at the glass. In a move to directly challenge the build quality of the newest iPad Pros, the S12 Ultra is rumored to feature a Grade 5 titanium frame. This isn't just for looks. Titanium allows the device to be significantly more rigid while potentially being even thinner than the current 5.1mm profile. Imagine a 14.6-inch tablet that feels like a solid sheet of metal but weighs less than a standard notebook. This is about premium ergonomics for the professional on the move. When you hold this in a coffee shop or a boardroom, people are going to notice. It's a statement of intent. Now let's talk about the window to the soul of this machine, the display. Samsung is the king of screens, but they've had some stiff competition lately. 2. Take back the crown. The Tab S12 Ultra is expected to debut a revolutionary Tandem OLED panel. By stacking two OLED layers, Samsung can achieve two things: double the lifespan and mind-blowing brightness. We are hearing whispers of a peak brightness reaching 3000 nits. To put that in perspective, you could use this tablet in the middle of a desert at high noon and still see every detail of your 4000 video edit. We're also looking at an improved anti-reflective coating, similar to what we saw on the S24 Ultra, making those deep blacks even deeper, even under harsh office lights. This isn't just a screen. It's a reference-grade monitor you can hold in your hands. If you are a colorist or a photographer, this is the hardware you have been waiting for. Under the hood, things get even more interesting. While the previous generation experimented with different chipsets, the Tab S12 Ultra is expected to go all-in on the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen. Due to the chip built on a 3nm process that is specifically optimized for sustained high tasks, but the real kicker is the RAM, leaks suggest. Samsung will offer a top-tier variant with a staggering 24GB of RAM. Why do you need 24 gigs in a tablet? 2 words: Neural DeX. Samsung is reportedly overhauling its desktop mode to run entirely on agentic AI. This means the tablet can manage complex multi-window workflows with zero lag, allowing you to run full-scale desktop applications, high-end video editors, and AI-driven background tasks simultaneously. It's no longer tablet-class performance, it's workstation class. This is the death of the "it's just a mobile OS" argument. Speaking of AI, One UI 8.5 will be the heart of the S12 Ultra. We aren't just talking about circle tile search, basic photo editing. The S12 Ultra is rumored to feature privacy display technology. Using the NPU and the under-display cameras, the tablet can detect if someone is looking over your shoulder and automatically blur sensitive information or dim the screen to prevent visual hacking. This is a massive feature for corporate users and travelers in premium markets. Furthermore, the new S Pen Pro 3 is expected to launch alongside the tablet, featuring haptic feedback. This means when you draw on the screen, the pen will vibrate subtly to mimic the texture of paper, graphite, or even oil paint. It's about closing the gap between digital and physical creativity. This haptic response is tuned to the millisecond, providing a tactile experience that makes digital art feel organic. Now, you might be wondering how long the battery lasts with all this horsepower. Samsung is reportedly pushing the limits of battery density to keep the 11,600 mAh capacity, or perhaps even bumping it toward 12,000 without increasing the thickness of the device. Combined with the efficiency of the new Snapdragon chip, we are looking at a true 15-hour real-world productivity device. And for the first time, we might finally see a jump in charging speeds. While Samsung has stuck to 45 watts for a while, rumors suggest a move towards 65-watt fast charging for the Ultra model, allowing you to top up that massive cell in record time. On the connectivity front, Wi-Fi 7 is a given, ensuring that as long as you have the router to support it, your cloud-based workflows in 8K streaming will be buttery smooth. Let's discuss the storage options, because they are getting a serious bump. We are looking at a base model starting at 256 GB, but for the power users, Samsung is reportedly offering a massive 2TB option. This is essential for the 8K video recording capabilities the new camera system is rumored to possess. Speaking of cameras, the rear setup is getting a massive sensor upgrade. Borrowed from the flagship SRI's phones, allowing this tablet to act as a primary capture device for creators who need to film and edit in one seamless flow. The logic here is simple. Why transfer files to a computer when your tablet is the computer? So, when can you get your hands on this beast, and how much is it going to cost? Based on Samsung's established release cycles, we expect the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra to be officially unveiled in late summer or early autumn of 2026, most likely around late August or September. As for the price, premium tech comes at a premium cost. Expect the S12 Ultra to start around $1,299 for the base model, with the 24GB RAM and 2TB storage, edition likely pushing toward the $1,800 mark. In a market where high-end laptops cost just as much, Samsung is betting that the versatility of the Ultra will make it the better investment. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra isn't just an incremental update, it's a statement. It's Samsung saying that the era of the Compania tablet is over, and the era of the primary mobile computer has begun. From the titanium build to the no-notch Tandem OLED display, this is shaping up to be the most complete tech product of 2026. This isn't just about specs. It's about the ecosystem. With enhanced multi-control features, you can move your cursor seamlessly from your S26 phone to your Tab S12 Ultra and then to your Galaxy Book, making it the ultimate hub for productivity. The integration is deeper, the AI is smarter, and the hardware is finally catching up to our wildest expectations. But I want to hear from you. Is the move to 24GB of RAM overkill, or is it exactly what you've been waiting for to finally ditch your laptop? And what do you think about that privacy display feature? Game changer, or just a gimmick? The competition is fierce, and while Apple is focusing on thinness, Samsung seems to be focusing on raw, unadulterated power and utility. If these leaks hold true, the landscape of mobile computing is about to shift permanently. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I read every single one of them. If you enjoyed this deep dive, do us a huge favor and smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you haven't already, subscribe to TechVibe and hit that bell icon so you never miss a beat in the world of high-end tech. We're going to be tracking every single update as we get closer to the launch, so you definitely want to stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. The future of the tablet is looking brighter, faster, and more rigid than ever before. Whether you are a student taking handwritten notes with the most advanced S Pen ever made, or a software engineer running Linux environments through DeX, the Tab S12 Ultra is aiming to be everything to everyone. It is a bold strategy, but if anyone can pull it off, it's Samsung. We are standing on the edge of a new era where the lines between our devices are blurring, and the S12 Ultra is the clearest vision of that future yet. Don't go anywhere, because the tech world is moving fast, and we are here to make sure you stay ahead of the curve. See you in the next video.